Hey, garden lovers! Are you ready to get your hands dirty and grow some delicious tomatoes? It's August, and believe it or not, it's the perfect time to plant tomatoes for a bountiful harvest. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Before we dive in, here's why planting tomatoes in August can be a game changer. Late season planting means you avoid some of the common pests and diseases that hit earlier crops. Plus, with a little care, you can enjoy fresh tomatoes well into the fall. All right, let's get started. First things first, you need to choose the right variety of tomatoes. Look for fast-maturing varieties like early girl or cherry tomatoes. These guys are quick to grow and perfect for our late summer planting. If you're starting from seeds, make sure to give them a head start indoors for about 4-6 weeks. But for the quickest results, I recommend using transplants. You can find these at your local garden center. Next, let's prepare the soil. Tomatoes love well-drained, nutrient-rich soil. Mix in some compost or well-rotted manure to give your plants a healthy boost. Make sure your garden bed gets plenty of sunlight, at least 6-8 hours a day. Now, dig a hole that's deep enough to cover 2/3 of the plant's stem. Tomatoes develop roots all along their stem, so planting them deep helps them grow stronger. Gently remove the plant from its pot, place it in the hole, and fill it in with soil. Give it a good press to eliminate any air pockets. Water your tomatoes thoroughly after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. Don't forget to mulch around your plants. Mulch helps retain moisture, keeps the roots cool, and prevents weeds. You can use straw, wood chips, or even grass clippings. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or caterpillars. A simple spray of soapy water can keep most bugs at bay. And don't forget to support your plants with stakes or cages to keep them upright and healthy. In about 60-80 days, you'll be harvesting your first juicy tomatoes. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown tomatoes and the satisfaction of knowing you grew them yourself. So there you have it. Planting tomatoes in August is totally doable and, so rewarding. Give it a try and you'll be enjoying fresh tomatoes in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!